Psalm 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing.
Hello loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie, and if you're new, you are most welcome. I hope you do subscribe before you leave, and I hope you do enjoy this video. So today's video is going to be a review of some eyewear. If you guys don't know, I wear prescription glasses and lens, but usually stick to glasses. So I'm really excited to show you guys 6 pairs of glasses that I got from Sojos Vision. So the only thing I want to mention about this company before we get onto the video and I show you guys the glasses that I picked up is that they don't offer prescription lenses at the moment. I don't know if they will because their frames are so cute. Like, their frames are so cute, and if you also wear glasses, then you know how important it is to have cute frames. But anyways, you can still pick up some cute frames, especially if you wear contact lenses. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one of the black boxes for you guys. These boxes are really fancy. So you just slide it out just like that, and you have this really cool triangular prism type case. And inside the box, you also get a pamphlet that has your lens cleaner. It has like your lens cloth and then like other things like their manual and like instructions and stuff like that about the company. So the case also just says Sojos. You just open it and there you go, your glasses. So these glasses are called Moment, and these are polarized. And these are polarized lenses. So in here you also have like your lens screw. If you wear glasses, you know what I'm talking about. You got this, which comes in handy when your nose pad and all that is acting up. And then all their glasses came in these little baggies that has the company's logo all over it. So I think that's really nice. It's like super like packaged. So they really packaged all these glasses well. Like, so many packaging that you have to get through before you get your actual glasses. So this just fell out, but they have this little card that says like happy or not happy on the back. So I'm guessing depending on, you know, how you feel about your glasses, you just follow the instructions and reach out to them. All right, let's get onto the glasses. So these are polarized lens. So these are polarized lens, so it just has like a polarized tester card for you. Woo! How do I look? How do I look? Hello? The polarized lens are supposed to limit glare and also just reduce like eye fatigue and strain from looking at bright light. So I guess that's why with these on, my ring light is like so dim. So let me show you guys the other 5 pairs, and I'm just gonna try them on, and you know, you guys get to see them. I really like these. I'm usually like so hesitant about glasses because I feel like it's hard to find glasses to fit my face shape, but I'm really liking these. So these are Moment. So this is the next pair, and this pair is called Try Me. So we're gonna try it on and see. These are really cute, but I feel like it doesn't fit me because they're so circular, and I feel like my face is already like, you know, circular. So this pair is really nice, but I don't know if it really suits my face shape, so I don't think we're keeping Try Me, but this is Try Me in case you'd like to get it. This next pair are their Aviator style lenses, and this style is called Galaxy. So these are actually sunglasses, and I picked these out because they're so cool. My favorite thing about this pair are the lenses. It has like a gradient color, and of course they have like different main colors, but for the lens I picked the gradient brown lens, and you can get like different frames. These are a little bit more flimsy than the other ones, especially with this part. Just holding it, it's a little bit flimsy, so we'll see. Yeah, these are definitely more lightweight compared to the other lenses. Yeah, these fit kind of weird on me, so I don't know if we're keeping this one. So again, this is the Galaxy sunglasses, and they have different colors, and you can have like different lenses, and with all the glasses that I've showed, they have like different styles. So this next pair is quite simple. It's called She Young. These are just gold framed glasses, and they're quite simple, just like your basic everyday glasses. This is what it looks like on. These are definitely cute for just, you know, everyday eyewear, especially if you don't like to do too much with your glasses. Even though these kind of look flimsy, they're not at all compared to the other glasses that I was saying that they're flimsy. So the next pair of glasses that I have are called Ashley, and these are blue light glasses. So basically, well, they're anti-blue light glasses. So what they do is that they absorb the blue light from your phone, from your computer screens. So these are perfect for those who stay up late and they're on their phone, which is me. So for glasses, I usually get like gold frames, browns, and like leopard design, tortoise design, and I think these are actually their leopard style. Yeah, these are their leopard design. This is Ashley, Miss Ashley. These are not too bad. These are the last pair of glasses. These are actually sunglasses, and this is the style Jogger. So this one that I chose has like a brown frame, and then the lens are mirrored lenses, and I chose the pink mirrored lens. So I don't want to blind you guys, but it's basically like a mirror. These do feel a bit more plasticky compared to all the other pairs that I've showed you guys, but they are like thick and sturdy. I just wish that they used like a different material instead of like the plastic, I guess. But yeah, these are just sunglasses, and you know, these are affordable, so you can just get them for your trip. Well, no one's supposed to be traveling. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I do have a discount code for you guys, and it is Valarie15, so you can get 15% off on their website, Sojos Vision. So I'll have all the links for you guys down below, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week, even though we have to be stuck inside because of the coronavirus. Stay safe, wash your hands, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.